Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. Another new product day. This time it's by HealD. Unlock your health. Let's see what these folks are all about, shall we? Ready? Whoa. Oh, it's not breakable. Time to sharpen my Leatherman, I guess. You know, I honestly do not know what's in here. I just know it has to do with health, and there's going to be a Stelo tracker. Ooh, welcome to the HealD community. It is an honor to be your co-pilot on your journey to diabetes reversal and a healthier life. Here's your personalized welcome kit to start healing. Stelo biosensor to regularly measure your BMI and body composition. For setup, please refer to instructions. Yep, start weighing. Oh, sorry. Smart weighing scale to regularly measure your BMI and body composition. For setup, a consistency tracker, fridge magnet to help you track and celebrate your healthy habits. So there's my consistency magnet. That's cool. There's my Stelo tracker. And the Smart Scale by Eagle. First things first, so this is an Eagle app. Wow, since 1918. 12-month warranty. You know, I'm curious. Let's just open this first. Ooh, that's cool. Caution, slippery when wet. Whoa, that is a light scale. Get started, remove plastic strips. If batteries are not provided, install batteries. I like the sensors. Let's see if batteries were provided. They were not, so I need to get some AAA batteries. I think I have some upstairs. I'll look at the manual. Step 1, go to amazon.in and sign into your account. So 3 main things: the consistency tracker, the Smart Scale, not start weighing. But yeah, I need to start weighing myself on a Smart Scale. I actually have 2 others. But first things first, we need to go back into this realm. I need to become a human pincushion for Dexcom. All right, not for resale. Yeah, these are fun. And I had a problem with it the last time I tried to connect with Android 14. So I don't know if you've had that issue or not, but the phone that I was having issues with is this one right here. The OnePlus 12 Hasselblad. Clean the area, I already did that because I knew that Stelo was going to be here. I forgot that there was going to be a Smart Scale, so that's pretty cool. Start here. You know what to do, right? These things in my arm for so long, well, not so long, since March. I'm on the fence, but I decided I'm going to try another spot. I'm going to try I'm right-handed, right there on my abdomen. I'm not using an instant plump or anything. Knock on wood, right? Thank goodness. So I don't need to worry about that. We'll let that area dry for a hot minute. We unscrew this. Woo! Look at that needle. Okay, here goes nothing. Ready? Yeah, right about. And then I have to hold it in. It's just a little prick. You know? Ooh, that was not too bad. And I just kind of rub my finger around the outer part. And oh, man, putting pressure right there. Hold it for 10 seconds. And then put on this patch. And this helps it adhere even more. I'll be doing some chlorine tests very shortly. And we'll see how these things stay on for swimmers. But as of late, the last several times when I've put them on my arms, they keep getting caught. I'm trying a different spot. There we go. That's not too bad. Sorry, Malacqua. Forgot this little purple one right there. Stelo. And then you launch the app. So now we do start new sensor. New sensor is inserted. Enter code manually. And then we enter the 4-digit code 0354. Submit. It searches for the sensor. There we go. DX01I3, sensor paired, 25 minutes remaining. Great. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to use this smart scale and we'll go from there. Your sensor is now warming up, no readings. Yes, I understand. Say in 25 minutes or so. Pretty easy so far. You download the app and it's both Android and Apple. I actually am gonna go with Apple. We just go to the App Store and now we just type in Eagle Connect, icon matches. Sure, let's download it. Now it's downloading. That was pretty easy. Put in our batteries. So negative N first. And now Energizer is not a sponsor. There's some sticker residue. Oh, that's kind of fun to take off. Open. Allow. Allow Eagle Way. Sure, allow way using the app. Register as a new user. Oh, hang on. Kind of fun. They asked for your target weight, your height, male, female, of course your birth date, which I'm not showing you, my target weight, athlete mode, waist size, save and continue. Take off my socks. You just need to step on it. Okay, the scale is on the small side, I must say. And I'm not on a flat surface, so we're gonna have to move the scale. Once you're in the app, go to account, and then add device. Device found, pair, that was easy. And just like that, it's paired. And its data saved successfully. Well, that was pretty easy. Body fat 23, subcutaneous fat. Awesome. Let's go to a really flat surface and try it there. I have size 10.5, 11 feet, and it barely fits. There we go. 77.3 kilograms. And then it converts it to pounds. Data saved. Wow, it's really fast. Protein 19%. Oh. Very interesting. Bone mass, muscle mass, skeletal mass. Very detailed. Wow. That's pretty cool. And then hopefully it has, yep, it has some charts. BMI, body fat. Nice. Other than that, the scale came pretty clean from the factory. If you have size 12 feet, I'm not quite sure if this scale is going to be working for you or not, but I like the design. I like that it comes with the nice letter by HealD. I'll be contacting the HealD care team soon, and they're going to be working with me to reverse diabetes. And then hopefully I won't be pre-diabetic at all, and I'll just be normal. I'll probably continue to follow a diet and avoid drinking too much soda, avoid processed foods, you know, the normal stuff. But one thing I've learned this year is that having a glucose monitor, whether it's in your stomach or your arm, or your buttocks, or maybe your thigh. There's all these places that Stelo recommend you insert it. Otherwise, you may or may not void the warranty. And then also, I do recommend, if you're new to Stelo, hold on to the box, or at least take a photo of the serial numbers on the box, and make sure you take a photo of this, because you may need them later. And if you have problems in the first 15 days, you're definitely going to need them because you have to contact support. I've had to contact Stelo about 2 sensors, but really this is my 5th or 6th one, and I've only had problems with 1. I think the second time I contacted him, it was a user error. Oh, actually, no. It was an error with Android 14. It was this timestamp error, and the Stelo app kept telling me that it couldn't update the time, and I restarted the phone. I reconnected it with my carrier and nothing worked. In a few more minutes, we'll know my blood sugar. So when you have one of these sensors, it gives you an accountability, and it helps you just follow a more strict diet. And oh, just 7 more minutes. Good news, my sensor's ready. Let's take a look at the numbers, or should we not? So we're looking at 150 right now. Go to settings, shows that I have 15 days left. Awesome. So the last time I wore a sensor was the 13th. My numbers are pretty good. They stay between 90 and 170. A lot of times I'm between 100 and 140 all day. So that's pretty good. I try really, really hard to avoid spikes. I had oatmeal and my spike was not too bad. It was only up to about 160, and then I started walking around, ate some protein, drank some water, and it came down. I wish it actually said the amount, the spike instead of the lines. I mean, when it happens that day, you can go, and then right here on glucose, you can see your exact number during that spike. So that's kind of cool. I also like how you can do 12-hour, 6-hour, 3-hour. For the last 14 days, I've been in target range, average glucose 124, last 30 days, 126, 16% above, 0% below. So I'm not crashing, which is really, really good. And the sensor doesn't yell at you when you close the app, which is nice. With the Libre sensor, it does do that. And it's kind of annoying because, oh, it does do that, but it doesn't do an alarm. Alarm on the Libre 3 is really loud. I don't think I got, when I had the Dexcom G7, I don't remember an alarm going off, but I'm gonna get these questions about what am I wearing today? Let me show you. In Earth Blue, we have the Coros Vertex 2S. I've been wearing this on and off for 6 months. Battery life is at 35%. Oh man, I only have 9 days left. How do I like them apples? Apple Watch and Samsung. And then we have the T-Rex 3 by Amazfit. Green background screen because green T-Rex. It also does red and orange. Very cool. I actually have more steps than that, but I've been wearing the Amazfit Helio ring most of the day. I wear this by day, so watch by day, ring by night. And then this is the Samsung Galaxy ring. Had that for a couple months. This is the Oura Ring 4 in rose gold. I've had this one for, I don't know, 2 months and change. This is titanium finish. This is kind of a tungsten. I really like it. It has that pattern. There's no texture, just the pattern, visual. This is old school. This is the Oura Ring 3 in silver, you know, with the plateau and the bumps. I've had this one for over, it's either 3 or 4 years. And the Ultra Human Ring Air in bionic gold. I've had this for over a year. All in all, I've been testing rings for the better part of almost 4.5 years soon. Oura was the first one I tested, and then I started testing circular, which I'm no longer testing because the ring stopped working. And then I started testing Ultra Human, and then Amazfit, and then Samsung, and then the Oura Ring 3. And yeah, that's it. Those are all the gadgets I have, except for now I have another one because I have the Stelo inserted. And several times during the day, I recommend you take off all of your gadgets because it's good to get naked and unplug. Thank you, HealD, for sending me the scale and the Stelo sensor. I'm hoping to get a healthier life over the next several months. It's a long journey. If you've read anything about diabetes and tracking your glucose. Am I hoping to reverse diabetes? Yes, I'm pre-diabetic and I would like to be no longer pre-diabetic. But after talking to doctors and doing research and talking to friends that have been officially diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, and then I have a friend who has type 1, and I have another friend his son's been dealing with being diabetic and now he has a pump, and yeah, he's tried really hard to reverse that. Yeah, I just want to continue to be at this point where I monitor my glucose and I don't have to inject insulin. And I'm not on any prescriptions. That's, again, knock on wood, that's how I want to remain. And I had a question online. Do these sensors, are they as accurate as a finger prick? And the answer is yes, and in a way more accurate because they're constantly measuring. At any time, I can just quickly turn on my phone and look at my sensor, and then it's updated about every 10 minutes. I don't know of anyone that's finger pricking every 10 minutes. And the best part is when you wake up in the morning, boom, you don't have to go get the finger prick and get the sensor and box right here. This is by PIP, P-I-P, and their sensors they're okay. This is a broken one that they replaced, but it's just one of these. You prick your finger, you put the sensor in the little, and then like beep beep, and then yeah, it's all right. I don't recommend PIP. sorry. I think there are more accurate ones. And right now it's still at 150. So I'm going to go for a walk and see if I can bring this down. If you have any questions about HealD or Stelo or this smart scale by Eagle, let me know. So far it seems pretty accurate. I'll have to get my body fat measured at the gym and see what they say. There's a link in the description if you want to learn more about HealD. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are not a human pincushion, but if you are, I sympathize with you. I empathize with you. And I hope you can get your glucose, your diet, your exercise, your moods. I hope you can sleep better. Happy holidays. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have another video sometime in the next 88 hours or sooner. Goodbye.